Starbucks Double Shot on Ice is easily Starbucks' best espresso drink. So if you go there, definitely check it out. Just saying, it's really good. That's not what we're talking about today, obviously. I mean, I could make a whole video on Starbucks if you wanted to, but it sounds kind of boring. I don't know about you guys. Anyway, today I wanted to talk to you guys about how I actually got clients after only an hour of starting my DTG business. It's incredible because I never would have thought in a million years that I would start getting business only an hour after starting my DTG business online. And maybe you guys can learn a thing or two from it. Who knows? But I definitely think it's awesome. And I know some of you out there are into that. So I figured why not make a video about it. Before we get into the video though, the alpaca is hiding. Where is the alpaca? Find it. Let me know if you found them in the comment section below. My father and I decided to start a DTG business, and we went on eBay, we went on all these different websites trying to find a DTG printer at an affordable price because they're really, really expensive. We are talking about a machine that costs more than my car. It makes me cringe. That's how much this thing cost us. But we didn't spend $16,000 on it. They go even more than $16,000. They go for $30,000 and upwards. I mean, it depends on the machine, but we ended up getting one called an Anajet Sprinter. It's an older machine. We spent around $3,500, I believe, for it. So just shy of $4,000. And it's an incredible machine. You know, it's an older one, but it works really good. So that's our first investment. And we bought it on eBay, and there just so happened to be this guy selling it local to us, so we actually met with him and everything like that. So anyway, that's the short end of the story, right? I don't want to go too crazy with it, but we ended up getting the machine. We did some test prints. We had some issues initially, but we ended up getting a replacement machine and everything's fine now. But once we got the machine up and running, I decided since we got some successful prints going, I would make a website and an Instagram for the business so we can start marketing it. And obviously I would share it on my main social media accounts as well, since I already have followers. So I definitely had a little leverage because I already have an audience like you guys, and I can spread the word pretty easily. So I started an Instagram page for our company. It's called Timeless Print Co. Started that Instagram up. I promoted it once on my main Instagram account at Charlie Pangus, and I got like 40 followers or something like that. So it was pretty cool. And I got a couple people hitting me up, but nothing serious. Obviously the Instagram wasn't going to be enough. So what I did is I started a website on top of that. So now we have a website with all of our DTG printing information, our logo and everything like that. And we have the Instagram page. So I had all three main platforms set up. I had my website, I had my Instagram set up, and a Facebook set up so I can make my Instagram a business profile, because that's super important. And that wasn't enough, obviously, and it never is. So what I did is I went on my website that I built, and I actually built the website through Wix. It's not a bad platform. And they have a search engine wizard. So I went through all the search engine optimization steps, and they indexed my website on Google. And I'm not even kidding you, after an hour of having my website up, I had 4 or 5 inquiries already, and one of those went through, and I only made like $80 profit off this job. So it was only a few hours after owning the business, we already started invoicing people and getting paid. It's incredible, and I think it honestly is due to how much confidence we had going into it. I think it really requires work, right? You want to work hard, and you want to have faith and confidence in your business when you start it, and you want to just go through the steps in your head. Don't stress out about it. Just kind of put a plan together, which that's what I did. I knew I needed a website, I knew I needed a couple social media accounts, and I knew I needed a little bit of a push for the business, whether that's using Reddit to advertise, Facebook, Instagram, or just self-promotion. It doesn't matter, but you have to have confidence, and you have to have the strength and the willpower to actually make things happen, and that's exactly what we did. And honestly, it paid off. Not only did it pay off, but I'm incredibly excited to go on this adventure with my father and see everything that we worked hard for come to life already. And that's a really good feeling, you know. So I just wanted to make this video and share that quick experience with you guys. It really just takes getting out there and trying things. You never know if it's gonna work out or not, and if you don't try, how are you ever gonna know? So you know, everything I did so far was such a small step forward into growing this business even bigger and better. So I'm incredibly excited, like I said, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna start printing some of my designs so you guys can see me actually using the machine and all that stuff. It's gonna be exciting. So I hope you guys are enjoying that kind of content. If you are, let me know in the comment section below. And I'm just so happy to be doing this kind of content on this channel again, especially the graphic design stuff. It's just so much fun, and I feel rejuvenated this year. 2019 is our year, guys, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss another video like this one. Also hit the thumbs up button. It means a lot to me seeing those likes, guys. Every time you guys comment and hit the thumbs up button, I am paying attention. It makes me smile so much, and it makes my day. When I don't get any likes on my videos, I get sad, to be honest with you guys. So if you want to make me really happy, hit the thumbs up button really hard, and let's get a lot of likes on this video. You guys already know, keep creating, keep being awesome. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Did you guys find the alpaca? Huh? You guys find him? He's hiding somewhere. I don't know. Where is he? Where's the alpaca? He's somewhere, I promise. Find him and let me know in the comment section below, and I'm gonna keep enjoying my coffee. It's amazing. I'll see you guys later.